क्रॉस होने वाला है।
There it is.
शुरू यही करता है रेड।
पहली रेड तो भाई इसकी होती है। अजय ठाकुर
Right Raider, he's got
Prime man,
longest
Superman, सब कुछ यही है।
the longest arms in the history of kabaddi.
Oh!
He has been
Wow.
that is absolutely lethal. Look at that start. There was Ajay heading.
नहीं
1 point each to both sides.
पक्का भाई।
Rishank Devariga, why did they not play him in the previous game is something I was always wondering. Picks up a bonus point. Needs no introduction.
अरे यार तो इसको
प्रदीप नरवाल को मौका मिल गया है तो
That he's recently added to his kitty is not there for him to take. Bonus is not there because we only have 5
दोनों को
defenders.
इतना नहीं भेजा जाता रेड।
Pradeep Narwal this time around he is developing a fetish for the left cover, for the right corner. 2 days, 2 points. Good little bright start. Fallon will have to learn quickly from their mistakes, otherwise this game just might be running away from their reach. The knowledge that we've gathered is had a long,
Sad is Sandeep Narwal, bro.
long chat, long practice session, and that's the
I am
reason.
big fan of Sandeep Narwal.
Oh, Ganesh
Arey wah.
Mark. Half-hearted would always be thwarted. He was thinking, may I not? Now he can don different hats. He can be easy, breezy, crazy, and he can put in a
Rishank
jump
Devariga.
as well. He uses the lobby, he's putting in his third rate and he picks up his third rate point. That is the class of Rishank Devariga. But it's a highline defense. If you see Moichila is saying, okay, come, and there. He was trying to play.
ये पहले कूद गया लॉबी में कि टच कर दैट पॉइंट
He was trying to, he went without a touch into the lobby and he said, okay, touch me and I'll have you. And
पहले लोगों ने मुझे तो
लॉबी में पहले कूद जाने बिना टच करे और बाहर से कोई डिफेंडर भी ना बाहर से टच करे दोनों
play him in the right corner, play him in the right cover. That is
कोई
very
बेचारा
lethal.
कोई डिफेंडर
Left
टच कर
corner
देना
भी पकड़ लिया
is
स्लीप में
not
भाई।
the position he should be playing and that is where they
ये बिल्कुल बच्चा लग गया यार।
now in tennis mixed doubles.
अरे वाह।
Ankita and Rohan in action. You can watch that on
तुम रुक जाओ बोल रहे मैं पकड़ूंगा।
Sony ESPN.
ओ पकड़ेगा तू।
One with the touch,
दो
the other
point
one
है।
with
हाँ,
the
देख
flying
के।
kick. 2 is what he gets to is what
Bonus
he's
भी है क्या?
doing. If you want to marry your dreams, cheat on your fears and break
Corner
out
और
the
एक
doubts,
वो-
great things never come from comfort zone. So India are just waiting because that's exactly what they should be
संदीप
doing.
नरवाल। Oh.
And Santi now does not have a choice. He'll have to go deep, and the moment he goes deep, he will
corner
be
ले।
deep.
Yes, संदीप नरवाल। चल नीचे पटक दिया ना।
Start delivered. Ram Mehar happy. Captain Ajay Thakur happy. Do or die raid is always there for the
Yeah.
raid and not for the defense. Sandeep Narwal waiting. The moment he went for Girish and
हाँ सर वो
हाँ, तेरा जीव
नहीं
निकाल रहे हैं।
on the mat, buddy, on the bench you go.
ये
He wins.
अरे वाह।
This time around,
बॉडी में रह गया।
जल्दबाजी करा के रहा है
is sparkling in bright. For the
आज इसको बहुत ज्यादा चांस दे रहा है बहुत ज्यादा चांस
ये चांस मिल गया। और सारे कूद रहे एकदम से झुंसा बना के आ गए।
For India, the Dupki King has been drowned. 5 men to deal with. Loves to
Rishank Devariga.
That's something that's
वो
not
पीछे से
available
अकेला
for
पकड़ेगा।
at this moment. 15 minutes gone in this encounter.
बढ़िया बढ़िया
अरे यार वो फिर बाद में
मैं थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं रहा कि थोड़ी देर रुक के एक दो रोड टच कर दे
झटका मारता ना एकदम से।
जब मारा ही नहीं ना
झटका नहीं मारा है
मैं
फिर।
तो जानबूझ के कर रहा है
Wave from the
रुक रहा
defense.
है जानबूझ के कोई एक आधा हो रहा है फिर निकलने नहीं दिया
You must never test how
देख
deep the water is with both your feet, and that's the mistake Rishank
पूरा
Devariga
पकड़ के
made.
बहुत बढ़िया डिफेंस।
Has been used as a radar.
ये दीपक
Does
दीपक
not succeed. Left
अरे
hand.
वाह
There.
अरे यार
For one moment and he finds
बहुत बढ़िया इतना सा पॉइंट बिल्कुल इतने से रह गया।
They've really given India some scare, have these young Thai raiders.
ये ओ
Sandeep Narwal. Keep your eyes on shirt number 10. He was ready to pounce. He was ready for a dash. Moichila on the other side. We've not seen him in action today because, as I earlier mentioned,
ये दोनों भाई इधर
they do not have a left raider. And that's it. That is the halftime. 20 minutes gone.
फर्स्ट हाफ कंप्लीट हो गया।
I would say low scoring encounter in terms of the quality that Indian raiders possess. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. And Indian defense has been under a cloud of doubt. Their performance in the previous game, they were really tested by South Korea.
दीप नरवाल को फिर चाप दिया।
अरे
I don't see him winning a point.
ये लगा गया भाई।
Pradeep Narwal wins a point yet again.
डुबकी मारता था।
Agreed he's not won multiple points, but he surely has won those single rate points every now and then.
तो डुबकी है।
And then his eyes will surely be fixed on that man, and they have got that man.
8 points.
It takes two flints to make a fire, and when you combine in a pair of two each, then together all four of them enjoyed a piece each of Rishank Devadiga.
उस पे भी हम नेक्स्ट बना देंगे वीडियो या फिर YouTube पे आप देख लो।
It should be a do or die raid. Moichila finally says, "I've not had a tackle point. This is the right time to have one. Get sturdy. Rebellion is your duty, Moichila. Your genius lies in your craziness."
कोच है क्या?
Ajay Thakur was exceptional in the World Cup, exceptional in the Kabaddi Masters, and he has been ushered off the court. Girish Sharnak is the one who enjoys that point. Or is it Moichila?
इंडिया?
वो आउट हुआ ना रेडर। जिम चल रहा है।
He wanted to just dash him. Deepak Nivasuda is the man who goes on the bench. 26 to India, 15 to Thailand. 14 minutes left in this encounter. Rahul Chaudhary, 1-1-2, and he thought if I did not get a touch on. Now this is an opportunity for Rahul Chaudhary. These are opportunities that he loves, and he will not be looking for just 1 point, let me tell you. He'll be looking to get both and make it a 4-point raid. Rahul Chaudhary, left raider, then will become a right raider. There's 1-2, goes in! Well done, Rahul Chaudhary. Poster boy erupts with a 2-point raid. India gets a 4-point raid. 2 for the touches, 2 for the all out. And that will really widen the gap between the two sides.
ये देखो दोनों टांगे आगे आ जाती हैं।
Well done. 30 India, 15 their opponents. And the team management has been harsh. But there are certain decisions, if they need to be taken, they should be taken.
बढ़िया भाई बढ़िया।
ये
Perform or perish.
ओ थोड़ा सा ही पहले
Rahul Chaudhary wins the point, and what that does is
आइडिया पहले।
it takes the scoreline to 37 for India. He was actually greedy at this point in time. Oh, wasn't it a short while back, 2 minutes ago, when he was against two men, he picked both. It was a 4-point raid by Rahul Chaudhary, and look how quickly things change in the sport of Kabaddi. He is again in a similar situation. He's taken one, but one is what he's very, very happy with. He rolls, he tumbles, but wins a point and reduces the opponents to just one lone man standing.
ये रही स्माइल। एक बात से पकड़ेगा पूरी ग्रिप दे जाऊँ मेरी।
That is some action, this, isn't it? He made a mockery of the Indian defense. What on earth were the Indians doing there? To me, that should be a part of the highlight package, isn't it? Now look at that, what he does. Oh, we used to play this when we were kids, 7, 8 years old. Wonderful. He creates an opening, and India just did not know how to put the lid there. Oh, they might not win the game, but see, this is what the point that I'm making is that so many wow moments for them. And the defense, again, to me, is a worrisome sign. Yes, he did. With the foot, he did. And one more time, it's the Indian defense. Glaring errors. There was no cohesiveness to their defense. The body strength means nothing if your timing goes wrong. Anticipation is the biggest skill in the sport. The number of bad moves have far exceeded the good ones. As we mentioned time and again, they have a tougher battle lying ahead in the form of Iran. Ajay Thakur, after putting in a couple of bad rates, has been rested today. They have not tried him much.
ये तो कह रहा है कुश्ती खेल लूँगा मैं तेरे साथ। WWE वाले दाव लगाऊँगा।
And I think the Thai defense
ये ले निकल।
overall has been good, but Gangadhari Malesh will rejoice the points that he has won. They're trying Rohit Kumar right now. Rahul Chaudhary goes out. to an altogether level. At the same time, India must think, Rohit, you must never test how deep the water is with both your feet.
बढ़िया बढ़िया
क्या ही किसी को भी ना
He dives, and they've had their man. The
आगे
final
पे आ गया तुम
point of the match goes to the team that are the world champions, and they have won this one with a margin of 9.